Hi guys. Here is a quick WooCommerce fix to there are no payment methods available. Please contact us for help placing your order. Basically, we have added all the payment methods, but it is not reflecting here. We tried many things but realized it has a very easy fix. First, simply log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages. Then click on Checkout. In Visuals, this may be empty, so go to Codes. For safety, kindly back up this code. I will delete this all and simply write this code, WooCommerce_checkout. That's the only thing to be modified. Then update the page. If you click on Visuals, it will look like this. Anyway, after this is done, go back to the page and refresh it. And you will see the payment methods will be available. Thank you very much.